If I ask, do you need happiness in your life? Obviously, every parent, every child, we all will say yes, why not? Happiness means my life. And if I ask, do you need a happy family? Then obviously everyone wants happy family. So here let me just tell a very beautiful story. Might be you have heard also earlier. There was a crow who used to feel very bad about himself because he was very black in color, and he used to feel that I look so ugly. No one used to appreciate me, no one used to love me, no one wants to feed me. In a such a way he used to think. One day what happened? He thought, let me to go and to ask all those beautiful birds how they became so beautiful, so that I also should become. So he went near the lake. There he found a swan. So he asked the swan, you look so white, so pure, so beautiful. How dear, I also wanted to become. Then swan told, I also used to feel like you, that I am very beautiful, but when I saw the parrots, then I thought, oh my God, they have two colors with them. So it means parrots are more beautiful than me. Then crow, he went there and he flew in the sky, and he saw parrots were also flying there. So he asked, parrots, you are so beautiful, you have so beautiful color, and might be you feel so proud on that. How did you become so beautiful? Then the parrot has answered, correct, as you said, I am very beautiful. We all are very beautiful. But when we saw peacock, then we thought, wow, they are more beautiful than us. Then crow thought, let me to go and ask peacock. Then he went there. Near the zoo, he found lot of peacocks were roaming here and there. Then he went there and he asked, my dear peacocks, you people are looking so beautiful. I wish I could become like you all. Then peacock, all the peacocks there in the zoo, they laughed. Yes, we are very beautiful. And that's the reason people love to come here and love to see. But do you know what we feel in our life? Then crow has asked what? Whenever we see crow in the sky, we used to feel that they are the only luckiest bird in this world. Those are not in the cage or any zoo. Then crow got shocked. It's correct only. Have you ever seen any crow in the zoo? Bird means free, freedom. They should have plenty of sky to fly. And except crow, no one. That time crow has realized how lucky he is. Although he is black, but he is the bird. So he has to travel here and there. So what is the meaning of this story? Why did I tell? Understand one thing. If you really want in your life happiness, first of all, love yourself. If you are only criticizing yourself, I am not good, I don't look beautiful, I don't have this, others are having everything, then what is the purpose and meaning of your life to be called as you? So always give importance to yourself. However you look, however you talk, but the thing is, you are unique. If you don't love yourself, no one is going to love you. So first thing, for happiness, whether in your family, wherever, you need to be very happy within yourself. And the second thing is, always is supposed to be in your family, whether you are sitting with your parents are sitting with you, whoever are there along with you all need to understand, always appreciate each other. The way peacock has done, okay? The way parrot has done, the way swan has done. Are we appreciating each other? No. Most of the time we will criticize. Most of the time when anyone is cooking in the kitchen, you will find the fault. Instead of appreciating, how wonderful food you have cooked for us. So feel gratitude for that. Appreciate. If you really want a happy family, a happy world, we need to exchange appreciation. Then only you will have the positive thinking for each other. And the third thing, which I feel very important, truth. Tell the truth. In your family, if you think that something might be happened wrong, we are human. Human means error. We do the mistakes, but we should not hide anything to whom we love. And family means love only. Whether you are mother, whether you are husband, whether you are father, whether you are a child, whether you are a grandparents, whoever we call in our family. But we should always share the truthness among us, so that we will come to know how we need to improve that. If we are in the problem, how our family will support. So always tell the truth if you think that you have done something wrong also. And the fourth thing, which I feel is very important for all human beings, that's gratitude. Whatever you have been blessed, understand you have plate in front of you, you are eating, you are coming to the school, you are going for the job. All so many things God has blessed us. Feel gratitude for that. Whatever we have got, God has blessed us. So don't we think that we need to feel very proud for that? Yes, so because when we feel whatever happens in our life and how much we got blessed by the God, then really you will get more and more in your life. So feel gratitude for whatever is happening in your life. So these are the things which you all have to understand to keep your family happy, to make yourself happy, and to share the love among everyone. So I feel, my dear all the wonderful audience and everyone, let us to spread love in this world, in our society, in our country, in our family, by sharing, by caring, by appreciating, by telling the truth, by having the gratitude. Then surely every family will be a happy family. And when every family is a happy family, then obviously society is happy. When the society is happy, obviously our country is happy. And when our country is happy, then obviously this world is very happy. And when this world is happy, then whole universe is very happy place actually. So share the positivity with each other. Make this place one of the most happiest place. Thank you.